Hey everyone! Welcome back to Cashflow Builders, the best channel for making money online, harnessing the power of AI, and mastering personal finance. If you're ready to take control of your financial future and learn how to earn a whopping $27,000 a week through passive income, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our tips and tricks to build your wealth. Passive income is money earned with minimal effort on your part. Imagine waking up to find your bank account growing while you sleep. Sounds great, right? Today, I'm sharing 9 powerful passive income ideas that can help you achieve that dream. First up, real estate investments. This could mean rental properties or real estate crowdfunding. With the right research and management, you can generate consistent income while building equity. When it comes to building wealth and securing your financial future, real estate investments stand out as a powerful avenue to explore. Whether you're considering rental properties or diving into real estate crowdfunding, the potential for consistent income and equity growth is significant. With the right research and effective management, these investment strategies can not only provide a steady cash flow but also contribute to long-term financial stability. In this discussion, we'll delve into the various forms of real estate investments, their benefits, and key considerations to help you navigate this lucrative landscape. Let's uncover how you can make informed decisions and maximize your investment potential in the world of real estate. Next, consider dividend stocks. Investing in companies that pay dividends can provide you with a steady stream of income. It's like getting paid just for holding onto your investments. As you explore avenues for generating passive income, dividend stocks emerge as an appealing option. Investing in companies that pay dividends allows you to receive regular payouts, creating a consistent stream of income simply for holding onto your investments. This approach not only rewards you financially but also enables you to participate in the growth of established businesses. In this discussion, we'll examine the advantages of dividend investing, how to identify promising dividend-paying stocks, and strategies to maximize your returns. Join us as we uncover how dividend stocks can be a key component of your investment portfolio, offering both income and long-term wealth-building potential. Number 3 is to create an online course. If you have expertise in a particular area, share your knowledge. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable can help you reach a global audience, generating income while you focus on other projects. In today's digital age, sharing your expertise has never been easier, and creating an online course is a fantastic way to do just that. If you possess specialized knowledge in a particular area, why not transform it into a valuable resource for others? Platforms like Udemy and Teachable allow you to design and publish your course, reaching a global audience eager to learn. This not only provides an opportunity to generate a steady stream of income but also allows you to focus on other projects while your course works for you. In this discussion, we'll explore the benefits of creating an online course, tips for content development, and strategies to effectively market your offering. Let's dive into how you can leverage your skills to create a sustainable income stream while empowering others along the way. Fourth on our list is affiliate marketing. By promoting products or services and earning a commission on sales, you can turn your social media or blog into a money-making machine. Affiliate marketing is an exciting opportunity for those looking to monetize their online presence. By promoting products or services through your blog, social media, or other digital platforms, you can earn commissions on sales generated through your unique referral links. This model not only allows you to turn your passion for content creation into a revenue stream but also provides the flexibility to work on your own terms. In this discussion, we'll delve into the essentials of affiliate marketing, how to choose the right products to promote, and effective strategies for driving traffic and conversions. Join us as we explore how you can transform your online platform into a lucrative money-making machine through affiliate marketing. Fifth, explore print on demand. Create custom designs for apparel or home goods without any upfront inventory costs. You design, and the platform handles the printing and shipping. Print on demand offers an innovative and accessible way to turn your creative ideas into tangible products without the burden of upfront inventory costs. This business model allows you to design custom apparel, home goods, and more, while a third-party platform takes care of the printing, packaging, and shipping directly to your customers. Whether you're an artist, designer, or simply passionate about creating unique items, Print on Demand empowers you to showcase your creativity and build a brand with minimal financial risk. In this discussion, we'll explore the advantages of print on demand, how to create compelling designs, and strategies for effectively marketing your products. Let's dive into how you can harness this flexible approach to entrepreneurship and bring your creative visions to life. At number 6, we have digital products. Ebooks, stock photos, and digital art can all be sold repeatedly without additional work, making them an excellent source of passive income. Digital products represent a lucrative opportunity for generating passive income with minimal ongoing effort. Whether it's ebooks, stock photos, or digital art, these products can be created once and sold repeatedly, allowing you to earn revenue long after the initial work is done. This scalable model not only frees you from the constraints of physical inventory but also opens up a global market for your creations. In this discussion, we'll explore the various types of digital products you can develop, the benefits of entering this space, and effective strategies for marketing and selling your offerings. Join us as we uncover how digital products can become a steady source of income, enabling you to focus on what you love while your creations work for you. 7th, consider peer-to-peer lending. By lending your money to individuals or small businesses through platforms like Lending Club, you can earn interest while helping others achieve their goals. Peer-to-peer lending has emerged as an innovative way to invest your money while making a positive impact on others' lives. By lending funds to individuals or small businesses through platforms like Lending Club, you can earn interest on your investments while helping borrowers achieve their financial goals. This direct connection between lenders and borrowers not only fosters community support but also provides an opportunity for higher returns compared to traditional savings accounts. In this discussion, we'll explore the ins and outs of peer-to-peer lending, the potential risks and rewards, and strategies for selecting the right loans to maximize your earnings. Join us as we delve into how you can diversify your investment portfolio and contribute to the financial success of others through peer-to-peer lending. Number 8 is to invest in real estate investment trusts, REITs. These companies own and operate income-generating real estate, allowing you to earn dividends without the hassle of managing properties yourself. Investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs, offers a compelling way to gain exposure to the real estate market without the complexities of property management. REITs are companies that own and operate income-generating real estate, such as apartment buildings, commercial properties, and shopping centers. By investing in REITs, you can earn dividends and benefit from real estate appreciation, all while enjoying the convenience of a hands-off approach. This makes REITs an attractive option for those looking to diversify their investment portfolio and generate passive income. In this discussion, we'll explore the various types of REITs, their benefits, and key considerations for investing in them. Join us as we uncover how REITs can provide a stable income stream and enhance your financial strategy. And finally, explore automated online businesses. Whether it's dropshipping or an e-commerce store, automation tools can help you run your business with minimal intervention. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, automated online businesses present a unique opportunity to earn income with minimal hands-on involvement. Whether you're interested in dropshipping, setting up an e-commerce store, or utilizing other automation tools, you can streamline operations and focus on scaling your business rather than getting bogged down in daily tasks. This model not only allows you to reach a global audience but also offers the flexibility to manage your business from anywhere. In this discussion, we'll explore various automated business models, the benefits of leveraging technology, and strategies for success in this evolving market. Join us as we dive into how you can harness automation to create a thriving online business that works for you. So there you have it, 9 passive income ideas that could help you unlock a staggering $27,000 a week. Remember, the key to success is taking action and staying consistent. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with anyone who needs a financial boost. And, of course, subscribe to Cashflow Builders for more amazing content on making money online, leveraging AI, and improving your personal finance. Thanks for watching, and let's start building that cash flow together.